Yes, and welcome back. Now still on top the late night show with Ugochi, with Obi Martins, with myself.
Call my name first. No. Call my name first. You must give me respect. What is wrong with you?
Obi Martins,
yeah, baby.
Ugochi with Skimpy,
yeah.
with DJ Easy Beat, and then with Baba Alariwo, one of Africa. Yes, not forget say you suppose gum body with us. And as it be now, I know say we're going to the next level of the levels. That one na People's Parliament. That level where we say Baba now go gas answer one or two questions where we go through away give him. And I know say on herself where they house. No, I want to be. On I go get one or two things for mind where on I want do it on I want ask Baba. So you know as we take the and say you go into our Twitter handle, go tweet at us, and Baba self go do it in go drop in personal Twitter handle where we say even if on no feel reach am now after the show. On a still feel reach am, na the levels be that one, and then we get topic where we dey drop every day.
Yeah, that topic where we don't finish yesterday. Baba, our topic, we get one topic we'll talk yesterday. But time, we discuss them, but time no too permit us. We say, shall you go marry for a man or woman? No? You go feel marry woman, we get money pass you, but we no satisfy you for bed. Or woman go feel marry man, we get money pass her. We no satisfy for bed. Or if you marry one, we no get money, but it satisfy you for bed. Baba, no never talk because
I never talk. I just they adjust.
Exactly.
Okay, because for now, as it be the one way we go enter now, na People's Parliament, as I talked before. So now, before we begin talk to you this particular time, Obi Martin go first swear you into office. Yes, you go just raise up your one and not to fear, nothing dangerous about them. So he go tell you some word, you go follow him. Then when that one finish, we enter the level.
Yes, so now I want to swear for that. I want to swear that in. So anything, all right, Baba, put your hand up. So if I talk anything, you go mention your name. As in, yes. I, you go call your name. All right, let's go. I,
Rotimi Martins.
But I allow you to know. So that
okay,
if you lie, there's not allow you to lie.
I, Alariwo of Africa.
Agree, say. Anything where they ask me for here today.
Anything where they ask me here today.
Not true, I go talk.
Not true, I go talk.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but
if
the
I
truth.
lie, make a naked bath.
And they always naked bath.
All right, Skip it back to you.
Okay, now the first question will come my mind now be say Alariwo of Africa. Everybody they get things where they follow their name. Like me now, if you tell me say why then they call me Skimpy, I go feel say see waiting lead to waiting make you just sleep one day, you wake up, decide to go by the name. Waiting day behind the name will make you pick Alariwo of Africa.
Okay. And they work for one radio station where they no pay the advert for here. Make I no mention their name.
Thank you.
So I did there and there I forget the name. So the day when it happened, they say the person they said that cost it, they cost me. Because a kilo share, I come back Bariwo Kili, Alariwo. So anything saying I insult, they insult me. I can't look up. Compared to my real name, Alariwo, the thing is sweet. They catchy, they commercial, I pick up. Then I can't meet my sponsor, Femi Lasode. He can't say no, Alariwo, Alariwo of Africa. Okay. Because I'm also African fabrics are they wear. I can't meet him. The day I met him with King Sunny Ade. Okay. And King Sunny Ade then was King Sunny Ade and the Golden Mercury of Africa. I just look at him. Now him, the man just then will say, you are Alariwo of Africa. Now King Sunny Ade say, yes, Alariwo of Africa. So, now so the name come gum body. So we still there, the name never change.
Wonderful one. Wonderful one. Wonderful
and they come be say, as I sit down, say, Africa, they near me. So,
oh. You know, no be smart. It just be like say God just.
Yes, I say the chemistry start from toilet.
The baptism when they do, you don't stick.
Okay,
wait.
Wait now, Obi Martin, she won't ask question.
Be a gentleman.
What kind of gentleman? Be a gentleman for my own property.
Somebody is putting her son down. That question she asked.
I wonder.
Okay, now make I just ask you this other one sharply. We know say you don't do many songs inside Nigeria. You don't do dance here. You feature some people inside. I know plenty things.
You
know.
Old me inside pot.
Honestly.
So now you don't do that one. You feature plenty people inside. Then you do Yawa Go Gas. Yes, even when you drop that Yawa Go Gas, some people think say na Fela Nicolas Bukuti I sing the song. Now I can't hear one thing say that time. Then play the song for Inside Yonder. CNN. CNN one thing say
Oh.
This is the hot.
We know book.
Which one be we?
I know book. I is a one person.
I is a one person.
MP, no book.
You know no book.
I dey learn now. She's my senior.
Now my name sake.
Leave
But
man.
he say we. I.
I personally.
Alariwo.
Okay,
They
so
talk,
now they come
person,
play
they
this song
talk.
inside yonder. And when they play this song, CNN then carry the glory, give Fela. They say na Fela sing the song. They don't mention your name. I hear say you sue them. Abi, you collect small compensation. How you take do am?
Okay. It's because I don't raise hand to talk through, make I talk through.
Thank you.
One, not be CNN, na BBC.
He don't fail.
No, she tried.
Oh,
Now
no,
what
no,
did she
the same
read?
thing.
Now what did she read?
Me,
Now
I
she
said
talk.
NTSF.
Now what did she read? Now she talk. Now BBC.
Okay.
And two, not
Abeg wait before you continue. CNN abeg before now na BBC. I
Na
talk am
BBC.
no be CNN.
Yes.
CNN no BBC.
Yes.
Yes.
Make una come carry Skimpy. Mona arrest her. I don't want her again. I CNN score.
now BBC.
Na BBC.
One.
3
Then
witness.
two, not be me sue them. Now my management for UK sue them because that time when Yawa Go Gas come out. Now that time Fela don't die, so they say na Fela because they say the voice sound like Fela. So management can't go talk to them. They can't do round one kind. Management can't sue them. They can't discuss outside court. They can't settle. So as they settle, then we just leave everything like that. Then my first album na Yawa Go Gas. Second album na Boju Boju Friend. The third album we don't do them, but we want go back studio, go redo some remixes. So now from inside, I do Dancia when I feature Pasuma and Lord of Ajasa. Then another song when I just do now for London, the title is Back on Track. Then I go do when we say now only I go be the first people to play that video because I dey feel
For the late night show.
Yes, for the late night. I dey enjoy this place. You know, it did very
Gracias.
inspiring.
You enjoy this place.
I dey enjoy the program, not the place.
Okay. I want to say maybe you enjoy this place. I want to say,
They enjoy us.
I dey enjoy the program.
No. Baba, put your hand down.
Oh,
No,
sorry.
they good.
Sorry.
Mind your business. I will
Yes.
sue you.
No, if you sue me,
I don't go agree outside court. Oh.
if you sue me, go make me popular more. You know, so that now wetin happen. But now, I want do one or two songs. I want redo them, package make we say as it go be because the road to success is very rough. It can never be rough for a man that is tough. A winner never quit and a quitter never wins. So we self no one agree. They appreciate the young ones as they do their own. Oh.
Yes.
They enjoy all their music, but we self still they sing. So we still they try our best. So now so it be.
Okay, Baba don't yarn, Skimpy. Baba, you be talk one thing before. You say you enter road go beg money
Yes.
for Steve Kadri. We don't die now.
Yes.
But before we enter into that matter, make we play one of your music, your songs first.
Okay.
So that you can see them. Make we come enter that matter because and don't forget our topic of the day.
We did here.
And you when they watch yourself, are still on the late night show with Obi Martin, Skimpy, and Ugochi and this. Our guest, Alariwo One of Africa, a day tanda for inside the house. We still get our DJ Easy Beat. If you want ask Alariwo anything, if you want contribute anything, I beg, follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show, for Facebook
At
Wazobia
Wazobia TV
and for Instagram
At Wazobia TV NG.
Make we watch one of Baba work. Will they come back?
Never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. No. Never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no.
Tailor-made. Before joy comes pain. After the sun comes the rain. If you have faith in what you do, this song is for you. This song goes out to all the winners all over the world. Now, what my best Congratulations in our nation to be the day for a peace celebration. I'll be the best among the rest. My God, don't do it for me. Cause I deserve it. I know my God is good. Now me with them neglect before. Now Papa God bless so. I share what you back email. Now go take this to my life don't change. cry, believe in yourself, everything's gonna be fine. Make a pray and call his name. We God, you gon' win the game. Forget your troubles, cause he will see you through.
My God, will see you through.
Cause any cocoa to man, you're loud. Let Father God take control. Call the Father, he'll be there. Anytime he's there, call his name. Trust in what you do.
I trust in what I do.
Cause the Lord will see you through. He will see you. Believe you're a winner.
I believe I'm a winner.
Believe you're a winner. Yes, I know. Do you trust in what you do?
I trust in what I
Cause
do.
the Lord will see you
Cause I
through.
know He will see me through.
Hold on, stay strong. He will be there for you all day long. Stop existing, make it all start living. If you believe, you can surely achieve.
Yeah.
Never give up on your hopes and dreams. Believe in yourself and say this words. I know I can. Cause I know he loves me. I know I can. Cause he watches over me. Hold on, stay strong. He will be there for you all.
Yes, so my people, una welcome back. That now I'm a winner by Alariwo of Africa. And in case you just dey join us, this now the late night show on top Wazobia TV, channel 195 for Star Times. And we still did on the People's Parliament where we dey ask our Alariwo, our special big Ogbenge guest for house, the various questions concerning in career and of course achievement. And now we three still dey pilot this show this night. Me, myself, Ugochi.
No. You call my name first. I'm the head of the house.
The head of the house, Obi Martins, my darling co-wife, Skimpy Lala.
Skimpy with a tissue batin.
The
Skimpy
one
that
and
is
only...
going clubbing.
I don't
Yes,
care.
so-
If you go, I don't care.
But if you go, she goes, you care.
And we still get one and don't forget, we get our scratcher of the scratchers, DJ Easy.
You don't scratch it before?
Scratch something small for us, when they feel. Yes, so
Ugochi, retweet.
that's not easy. In case you feel say you don't miss out for any of this, anything where we don't talk about since, no worry. Just run, go follow us on top our
Twitter.
social media. Our Twitter at W Late Night Show. And for Facebook, where we face ourselves, face me, I face you. Now for Wazobia TV NG. And for Instagram,
Wazobia TV NG.
Obi?
Ugochi, retweet. I'll get back to you. Retweet.
Okay.
Because people don't tweet
Make
at
it for
us.
no lost. Mohamed Bello on top our tweets. He say on top there yesterday matter where we dey ask whether you go marry man wey sabi do but no get money or man wey get money but no sabi do. Bello Mohamed talk say, man, me I go marry the one wey get money but dey take for bed. Make I read am again. Man, me I go marry the one wey get money but e no dey take for bed. That na wetin Mohamed Bello talk. Another person talk say, lie, e gats dey take for bed o, money go come later. That na wetin Trendy.
Now wetin make you and Skippy because I don't get money but I dey take for bed. No problem. Fowl pikin wey eagle no carry when it's small.
No, just deceive yourself because now we don't decide between ourselves. Say we no go open your yansh for
Exactly. We
public.
no get
So now no just let us talk because I get where you go shout this fowl pikin wish I go tell them whether you dey take.
I
or
dey take
not.
for bed. Because I don't get fowl pikin wey eagle no carry when it's small.
So my people are beg, in case you don't want to follow for this discussion, as we talk am before, Mona, don't run, go follow us for our Twitter at W Late Night Show. All this one when they talk, they just they make my.
Why you cut
I
am?
know, we no want make
Your
it.
cutting means say he no dey take for bed.
Ha!
Where I want to
Because we don't want
Where
to
I
talk
want
this
to
thing now. Why
put-
you can't let people
We don't-
know?
No, because I say cut and I be say, I beg you, leave story.
We don't want to be talking.
Alariwo,
that.
if you know what make a talk, yawa go gas you. If you know mind your business, yawa go gas
Okay,
you.
I no go
For
talk
my
again.
family business,
Okay, I
yawa
no
go
go talk
gas
again.
you.
Okay, now seriously, Alariwo, now maybe we ask you this question: which one you prefer? Woman wey dey take for bed, or the one wey no dey take for bed but wey get money?
If you want make person talk true, if you marry a woman wey get money, no dey take for bed, that na one small yawa. If you marry the one wey dey take for bed and he no get money, that na satisfaction and happiness. But the thing get k-leg. So me personally, I fit take any option. But since na one, I go take the one wey get money, then I go take the money, go dey buy something wey go make me strong.
make her
Come dey,
strong.
make her strong on top the matter.
That na your own point of
My
view.
own point.
Your answer. Okay, now make we dey tell on our way they are say make on ourselves drop
Wait,
on our
sorry,
own and
Cindy.
maybe no.
Alariwo, you dey take for bed. I don't say you get money, but you dey take
It's
for
not
bed.
possible for you to know because you no be woman.
No, no. I dey ask Alariwo
The question
now.
you ask,
Now people's parliament with
no, the
them.
question you ask,
Yes.
or you dey decide for me.
I dey ask question.
Okay, they ask questions.
Yes.
Well, the answer when I go give you simple. If you feel say I don't dey take for bed, if you just do me the honor
Of
of
Don't worry.
let me finish.
Finish what?
Oh, Nigeria.
Okay, finish.
If you give me the honor of answering the question, I will let you know, say, I dey take for bed. You see, I don't answer you.
and
see,
you go like practicalize.
Yes,
am,
your mind
and
is
you know
dirty.
Say this mattress now resemble bed.
na bed now.
No. So just give
fold.
us
Skip me, go there.
Skimpy.
No need
You
to
fit
bring
come try
sim.
now.
No need to.
Alariwo, pick one by yourself. I know who you go
Skippy
pick.
is where she is.
You know.
You understand?
I'm so far away
and
from
it
you.
no good make person see people get their own situation.
Why you dey adjust? No,
I'm
why?
analyzing
Analyzing what?
situation on ground.
No.
Now you find trouble.
Yawa go gas
It's not
o.
possible. I did my own. My friend, so you know you
Why
say,
you dey cross
I
your leg?
sit down
Why you
my
dey adjust
own.
leg?
She dey adjust leg
For
because
what? You dey
she
position.
needs to.
You want position yourself, abi? You want position yourself. You are ready. Always ready, abi? God will judge you. If na because they sing, Mr. go sing o.
Obi leave me hand or see my armpit hair no day.
About to sorry hair that bush dey themselves. Say wetin? Bush dey happen. Say hair no dey. What is not to you?
Oh God, and I know go tell you for your wife sit down so jeje.
All right, then Skippy.
Yes,
You don't make
yes.
me like say because we get so many things to ask Alariwo. And the late night show you did. Don't forget if you look your screen, you go see our social media handle there. Follow us there. Mo watch the music video of today.
Okay, the music video of the day.
Alariwo
And
go
now
like
we
what
get-
you want play for us so. I didn't go one comment.
No be only himself go like and people wey dey outside go enjoy the thing, so make una no go anywhere. Maybe bring on the music video of the day from the W Late Night Show crew. We dey come back.
You don't know viewers now.
It's your business.
Easy bit. I don't even know why they call you.
Jeremy in Benin mythology was a wrestler, the world champion. He conquered the world and he thought he should go to hell where the devils had 7 heads. And he thought they were better off with 1 head each. So he climbed a palm tree, a mysterious palm tree, which Saint Oman was warned by his father not to climb. So when he climbed the palm tree, he saw his 7 heads, his 7-headed devils. So the sister turned into a fly, followed him. In the wrestling arena, he threw the 7-headed devil, plucked off 1 head, and that was when the star sang a chorus. Kese, kese, Joromio, omi, krikisi. Is they plucked off their heads, one after the other, and left them with 1 head each. And that's the story of Jeremy.
Jeremy,
How they catch you?
I don't know.
Oh, during the time when we dance this music, they never put them now. Ah, if I sing, well, my key, easy to get my key. I get a bunch of key, you know. If I sing, all right, welcome back to the late night show with Obi Martins, Skippy, and my Bonanza Ugochi Bebe. Yes, at the late night show with this, we don't come far. We don't meet you now. We don't do cocoa of the day when they come matters arising. Now People's Parliament will still day. We day with our one and only Alariwo of Africa. And feel free to comment your comments. Go for our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show. Go for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG, and go for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG. The topic for today now, share you go marry person wey get money, you know they take for bed, or you go marry who no get money, but if he died there for bed. Comment.
Okay.
Comment.
No forget say before we come on for here yesterday, as we dey do am every day, we dey drop one word of the day wey we dey talk say make una talk am for good English. And the one wey we drop give una yesterday na say that food don done. Make una do wetin? Make una talk am for good English. And the koko na be say people wey we meet outside on top the streets don talk say the food still dey fire, the food never done. So now may we still give them opportunity to talk am for good English. That one mean say we go bring the answer to una next time. So now may we come back to our guest inside the house.
I want ask my one question.
Okay.
Alariwo, you get one time where you contest for Pima president, abi?
I contested for the Lagos State chapter. I was supposed to contest.
Okay, but you no contest.
Something happened because, you know, say for everything where politics dey, some games go dey.
Good, okay.
Just the way most people know they like better thing. Now so P-man that time no want better thing. You know, they say I go dey too strict. They say my policy go dey too strong. So they're not gonna let me know when the election won't happen. So when somebody come hint me say now tomorrow be the election,
You never campaign.
and there's no way for me to campaign, but I still drive go there. As I drive reach there, as they won't do, and maybe say, oh, they return the person unopposed.
Oh, okay.
But as I reach there, I tell them, say, nah, lie, I dey here. Make we do the election. So all the musicians where they there, they don't collect money, take support to the man. They support the man. It reach time to vote. The next thing, thugs full everywhere. They say me, I no go fit vote. I say, if I want beat me, when I beat me, but I go vote and I get my supporters. And as at that time, I was contesting as the governor and Queen Ayo Balogun was supposed to be my deputy.
Okay.
So before we know, they don't do the election. They say that the guy win. I say, okay. Like also make I talk. I can't tell it. All of now we go support this man. I'm giving you all 3 weeks to a month. You owe me and Ayo Balogun an apology, and you will regret what you just did. And trust me, 2 weeks after, they fight each other. Most of them, I don't go mention the name, they know themselves, they talk for paper. Say that one former president, now him push them. And this one do this, and this one do that.
Okay, no wala, Baba, no wala. Make we don't like say, I don't say so many things they won't talk for this matter. I mean, they go dig old things. Yeah, but how far now? What did they on board now? Because some people say you don't hide. Some say, you know, they do music
No, some
again.
people say Yawa don gas.
Yawa don gas you.
God forbid.
So what did they on board now? Let us know what did they on board.
The truth of the matter be say, if God dey your side, nothing will make you hide.
That's not
Exactly.
true. That's not true.
If God is on your side, nothing will make you hide. I still dey. Now maybe this. I thank God if I dey pass, people still say Alariwo, I go wave. It shows that person still dey relevant, you know. But right now, a lot of things when I dey do. I dey work on my own TV program.
Okay.
I get audio studio, I get visual studios. We dey do a lot of things. What we dey do. My video will soon come out. Between now and 3 days from now, the video go ready. Once they send them from UK, I will bring her and I go first play.
Thank you, bro.
know. We
Okay.
still did the business.
All right, no wahala, because as it be now, Baba, we go need to close shop.
No
So
wahala.
you say if you go and go sleep on time.
Yes.
Because late night show be this. I will not make traffic owe you for road.
No, traffic no go home because we know they go house. Na club we dey go.
Yes, so
My people, at the late night show be this. We don't talk from A, we don't talk from B to Z. Well, me, Obi myself. I said Obi myself. Me, Obi Martins. When I want to call your wife, you confused. Me, Obi Martins, Skippy, and Ugochi, my Bonanza. We don't try pilot to now. We sure say we don't enjoy una night. and I go sleep well. Alariwo of Africa, you get many things we want ask her, but time no day. Monoton the show to VG. I beg. Anything you want ask us, go for our social media and drop your message there. Now still the late night show on channel 195 for Star Times. That would be. Alariwo cannot take my bonanza from me. I beg. All the whole club for Lagos State. All the whole club for Lagos State. Foul picky when Igu no carry when it's small. Igu no carry am again. Not even Alariwo go collect my wife from me. Don't go anywhere.
Because
till tomorrow we'll go see you now. Nothing will happen. God bless all of you now. Easy beat.
Alariwo be today.
We don't come over here.
Afrobeat no go die yo.
We don't come over here.
If them no one make me sing.
Yawa go gasi.
If them no one make me sing.
Yawa go gasi.
If them no want Alariwo come.
Yawa go gasi.
If them no one brown to mix.
Yawa go gasi.
Whoa,
Let me sing my
we
song.
must sing.
Let me sing my song.
Make them hear this underground. Respero, babe, the Antonio.
Sing a song.
Oh yeah.
Let me sing my song.
Permission from a lady and father.
Sing my song.
No blocking.
Sing a song.
No handcuff. No chaining. No padlock. Yes. We don't get permission to sing from a lady and your father. Underground spiritual thing. Brother, don't come again, you. Afrobeat must rain, you. I want to today, make una dey listen, you. Truth is always bitter.